Guys, it's Mo William on a vlog, not a Roblox or Rainbow 4 video, but it's a cat vlog with my cat right there. That's Snowball. He's just looking at himself like, what is that? Is that me? It looks like me. But that is my cat. And we had him for about a year. I will show you my other cat when I teleport to him. And now, I think we had them for at least a year, which we did get them in 2019, and it's 2021. So I am gonna teleport. So I just teleported. And this is my other cat, Smoko. And he's looking at himself the same way probably Snowball did. And he is Snowball's brother. What do you see? I think he's just running away. But I guess that's him. And I will teleport back. And it's dangerous to teleport on stairs. So I'm back with Snowball. Hi. But that is the vlog I have for you today. It's very short. What are you doing? He's run out my room. Out of my room. But I will do, that's my shelf with my Legos and stuff on it that I worked hard on. Oh. That's my shelf. I don't know if you saw it because my hand was on it like that. But I'll see you guys in the next video. Make sure you like and subscribe, and bye.